Unlocking savings. How to request lower interest rates by contacting creditors. Requesting lower interest rates from creditors is a proactive approach to potentially reduce the cost of your debts and improve your financial situation. Lower interest rates can lead to decreased monthly payments, faster debt payoff, and overall savings on interest expenses. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to contact creditors to negotiate better terms. 1. Gather your information. Collect information about your current debts, including outstanding balances, interest rates, and your payment history. 2. Research your options. Research current interest rates for similar loans or credit products. Having this information can provide you with a benchmark when negotiating. 3. Contact your creditors. Call the customer service number provided on your account statement or visit the creditor's website to find contact information. Be prepared to wait on hold or navigate through automated systems. 4. Be polite and professional. When speaking with a customer service representative, remain calm, polite, and professional. Explain your situation and your reason for requesting a lower interest rate. 5. State your case. Explain why you're seeking a lower interest rate. Mention your history as a loyal customer, any financial difficulties you're facing, or the competitive rates you've found. 6. Be persistent. If the first representative you speak with is unable to help, consider asking to speak with a supervisor or a higher-level representative, who might have more authority to make decisions. 7. Provide evidence. If you've made on-time payments and maintained a good credit history, highlight this as evidence of your credit worthiness. 8. Be ready to negotiate. Creditors might not agree to your initial request. Be prepared to negotiate and find a compromise that works for both parties. 9. Be patient. Negotiating lower interest rates can take time. Don't get discouraged if you don't achieve results immediately. 10. Get the agreement in writing. If the creditor agrees to lower your interest rate, request written confirmation of the new terms. Make sure you have a clear understanding of any changes to your contract. 11. Maintain your end of the agreement. If your request for a lower interest rate is successful, make sure to honor your end of the agreement by making payments on time and adhering to the new terms. 12. Monitor your statements.